Good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. And probably last trading day of this week. Good morning, guys. How are you doing this morning? I was busy this morning with kids, and I missed textbook A+++++ setup for short on ES. Not on ES, on gold. Textbook one. So guys, good morning, guys. Good morning. Good afternoon for some people. Good morning, guys. Today I'm like Santa. See my costume? It's from last year. I have hat, but it's too hot to be in it. I have another one somewhere in my office. Cannot find it, but it's too hot to be in this. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Well, what we want to expect today? Guys, yesterday I was shorting the NPM session as well on Tradify TV stream. I was in my trade for 2 hours to get 6 points on ES. Even less, 5 or 6 points, like whatever, but... So, let's see. I'm looking for shorts down today on ES. Down to previous day New York midnight open. So I hope it's going to retrace for me so I can short down. Yeah. We already broke below New York midnight open. With displacement, but this happened before market open. I hope it's going to retrace up back to New York midnight open 69.26. I will look for short to 69.04. That's my plan. Well, maybe I will not trade today, right? We will see. I totally agree with you. It's not worth it at all, but why not to try to trade evaluation accounts, right? It's low volume range. I definitely can see this, but we can practice. I can practice at least. So I might trade my evaluations today as I did yesterday. Yesterday I executed 3 times. 1 break even, 2 winners. So, you know, like no complaints. I will look for setup if nothing is going to happen. That's perfectly fine. So guys, I will come back on Monday and we will try to trade again. So yeah, if nothing, we can just spend time together today, right? It's fine. It's fine. But if it's going to trace to New York midnight open, we can get 20 points short. We already dropped, like, how many points we dropped? Yesterday I was shorting ES. Where's my drawings? I wasn't short from here. I closed here. But target was lower. We drop in now, but once again. Yeah, giveaway today. Yeah, we will do some. How many points we dropped since London? Guys, not bad. 23 points. Guys, tell me someone took this textbook A+++++ short on gold. It was perfect one. We got rejection block, deep premium, we took internal buy side liquidity. Also done with break below New York midnight open, 2R. I was too busy with kids this morning. I sat down around like 8:45 or so. I miss it, but I hope someone took this. Today you trade using OT levels. Oh, yeah, let's try. Let's not talk about this short. Why not? Did you take it? Potential RLC 5 month will be confirmed. Entry here, stop loss here, 2R was somewhere here for 15 points. Hello guys, good morning. Do you like my Santa costume? Took short on YM. I didn't take any trades, I'm still flat. On the day... My plan, if it's going to trace to New York midnight open and will stay below this level, maybe sweep, perfectly fine. I will try to short to aim for previous day New York midnight open, 69.04. I take profit too early. You know, my husband always tells me, like, take profit early. Take profit early. Red is your favorite color? Thank you. You look short and long on MNQ. Wow. That's good. Did you trade London as well? Seems like we got some longs in London kill zone. Good morning, guys. Good morning. He's not really a trader. Like, he trades when he wants. But he knows some stuff about ICT. He watched lots of video about ICT. Not some stuff. He knows a lot about ICT. Oh, good job. I never ever traded London. Probably not going to trade this. It's a futures, guys. We long today. You destroyed my plan. Completely destroyed my plan. I'm looking for the retracement to New York midnight open to short. Guys, once again, I'm trading today evals, and the rest of the week I'm going to trade my evaluation, Lucid Flex evaluation accounts. So far, I have 2 wins on these accounts. So far, so good, right? Let's check this out. Let's check statistic. Lucid. My portal. Let's see. Dashboard. Thanks. Evals. Well, not that bad. 2 trades on it. Trading micros on ES. So I need to make $9,000. So far, it's flex accounts, guys. Up 600. We still trades on micro ES. Do you use alpha? I'm going to start using alpha futures from next year. I mean, from the beginning of next year. It's cold in Florida. Yes, it was this morning. I was driving to the gym at 4:30 a.m. It was cold. So this account's just okay, right? Just started yesterday. So I hope it's going to end good. I mean, on CFD, but we are going to have completely different levels, right? Gold keep. Oh, I wish I was in this trade so I could be. Guys, did you notice, like, indices are like really garbage, but gold, truly amazing. I was long yesterday. Oh, no. What are you doing? I could get at least like 40 points already. Hey, Leia, how are you doing? How is your morning so far? I was trying to long yesterday, break-even trade for me. You know, like, break-even trade for me, still painful to see this move. And I missed the short. 110% I would take this. Last 1500 on funded yesterday. Yesterday was brutal price action, not going to lie. But you know, it's all about waiting for your setup, guys. 50k, guys. Yesterday I risked around, like, my first trade risk was $300. My second trade risk was $150. And 150k account. Normally for 50k, probably I would recommend to risk $250, $300 per trade. Gold was amazing drop. Textbook one. I'm not trading my funded accounts. I just opened and placed yesterday trade on my take profit trader because I need to trade at least once a week, like for $5 profit or $10 profit. I don't remember. Just to have trading day. What else? Nothing. Keep trading my evals today, and tomorrow market is going to close at 1 p.m. Probably I'm not going to trade tomorrow. I have a plan to drive to Orlando tomorrow morning. Yeah. You have to risk 2%. For funded accounts, not really, especially for futures account. Normally for futures account, 50K, you risk 10% of your account. It's not the same as to trade live account. Probably it's last stream for this week, but I'm going to stream next week. So guys, let's hope it's going to retrace for us so we can try to short. This strategy is best for funded accounts. There is no best strategy, right? So it all depends on your risk management, what you trade, how big move you need to get. I cannot recommend like best strategy for trading because this kind of strategy does not exist in the world. Well, I'm going to share something with you. I buy my vase with my money, and this year I didn't spend a lot. I spent, it was $2,000 on activation fee with Epics. I would say I spent around like 5 or 6K total this month. Need to calculate, but I believe around like 6K. It's Santa costume. That's all I had at my closet. I'm from Belarus, guys. Return, yes. I guess I covered my spendings for like 1 week. So guys, I'm going to wait for the retracement. Very close, very close. By the way, I'm just going to tell, this costume, I know it looks like a bit adult one, right? But I bought this costume in kids' store. The age is 14-16. Just saying. In case you're thinking it was bought in adult store. No, it was bought in kids store. Once again, size 14-16. Well, guys, let's see. No reason for me short right now. I will try to wait for the retracement down. What time frame would I use? Sunday lows. Medium time frame, Chris, I would say. Hourly 15-minute chart. Look at this. See? Yeah, 15-minute chart looks good, right? Inside, yeah, it's transition from first stage to second stage right now. This retracement so much needed, guys, right now to retrace and short. Why? Because I want to engage in this. Verzi got strong displacement below New York midnight open. Like technically that's short, but it was before market open, so let's just hope. Are you Russian? I do speak Russian. I'm half Russian, half Belarusian. Can you look at gold? I mean, definitely I can. Setup already happened. You can trade all sessions. I'm going to get crazy if I'm going to trade every single session. Guys, when it's Friday, I'm like really happy because I'm tired of trading so much. I need like some break. And when it's Sunday, I'm like, oh, tomorrow is Monday. Because trading is hard for me psychologically. Right? And I would say I don't have like strong desire to trade every single session. I'm fine with pre-market IM session. If not like something, if nothing happened during IM session, I'm fine with PM session. But Asia and London, this point is going to be too much for me. Do you speak Chinese? I used to speak Chinese because it was my second language in my school. in like elementary, middle, and high school. We just, and in Russia and Belarus, we don't have like elementary, middle, and high school. We have like just one school, and all students there, from from kindergarten actually to 11th grade. I used to know Chinese because I was studying this language for 11 years, guys, but I graduated from my school when it was like more than 12 years ago. 12? 10? Whatever. 10 years ago. Don't remember. But I don't remember anything, obviously. One second, I will try to find something right now. 1 second. Would like to show you something. Oh my god, so much stuff. It's from my school actually. 1 second. From other side. Let's see. I'm not kidding, guys. When I was at school, I was studying Chinese. Sorry, guys, I know my. It's from my 9th grade. How this notebook still survived? Come on, Dasha. Hold this right. See? Do you still understand? Of course not. I don't remember a single word. Guys, if you're not going to practice language, you're going to forget this. Exactly the same is going to happen with Russian. If I'm not going to practice this, or my kid's not going to practice this, they're going to forget it. 1 second, I have more stuff. See? Oh, I have something. Oh, okay, that's dictionary. I have huge notebook, but I need to find this. Where to put this? But this one actually cool because once again, this notebook from like 15 years old. Oops, sorry guys. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, that's so cool. It's like dictionary, some Russian stuff here. Oh my god. But yeah, not kidding, guys. Was studying this for 11 years. 11 years. It looks so cool. Well, just wanted to share with you guys. I always have notes, guys. Yeah, I'm addicted of this. I prefer to take notes because when you write something, it's actually easier to learn. Do you miss Belarus? I mean, yes, I miss my family. I didn't see them for 10 plus years already. I'm not kidding, guys. Last time when I saw my mom or my dad or my sister was 10 years ago. Notebooks survive. I have 3 of them, guys. Seriously. Because I even have like some notes from SAT because I had exams here in US SAT. Because when I moved to US I was 18, so I had exam SAT for university. I have notes from lots of notes for SAT tests. Speak Spanish? No, I speak Russian and English. Used to speak Chinese because I had like even huge tests. You know, after you graduated from school, you have tests like SAT tests. What other SAT, like other tests that you need to pass after you graduate from school to study at university. And I had Chinese as well. And your maximum grade can be 100%. My grade was 92% when I was passing Chinese exam. I don't remember, guys, anything. That's, of course, painful. It's a bit hard to bring my family here because it's really hard to get the visa, unfortunately, for Belarusian and Russian people. Okay, 12 minutes left, guys. I'm going to wait for the retracement. I'm from Belarus, guys. Yeah, FaceTime, WhatsApp, yes. Almost every day, but I'm just trying to say, like, I didn't see them in real life for 10 plus years. Also, my Belarusian passport expired 3 years ago. I only have US passport. And I need to renew my passport somehow. But I need to fly to Belarus for this. But, you know, situation in the world, so it's hard to fly there for now. If my children meet my parents, okay, it's all depends. Sometimes simply like no chance for this, unfortunately. Not because I don't want to meet them, right? Not trading today. Why? You may try to trade. You have a plan. I disappeared again. But it's not a problem. Going to bring bring me back. My husband and me are US citizens. Yes. I'm looking for the retracement to New York Midnight Open to try to short down. That's my plan, guys. It's a bit risky right now, exactly. I just don't, I don't really want to short right now. It's a bit too low for me. Where the broke below New York Midnight Open, definitely great sign for short. But if it's going to retrace and will offer 3 or 2 or 5 million OB, I may actually try this. Down like this. If it's not going to retrace, I'm not going to short. Good setup on gold, it's already happened. You missed the short. Short from here, also down to R, basically was flat candle. How would draw OT? I would use low from here because we got straight move up from this new week opening gap. So basically I would use this one to this one. See? Yeah, 825 or 820, I don't exactly remember what time it was. I know, guys, new week opening gap, the test looks so great, right? I'm just gonna wait. I'm not going to be in rush. Market's still closed. I'm going to celebrate Christmas. We don't celebrate Christmas. We celebrate New Year, but I already got some gifts for my kids anyway. You look amazing. Thank you so much. I look amazing every day. You trading tomorrow? I don't know yet. I have plans for tomorrow, so I'm not going to stream PM session tomorrow. I'm going to stream PM session today. I need to go to Orlando tomorrow morning, so probably I'm going to skip session. can you make funded next futures? I can, but I'm going to do this next week. Yeah, I mean green card. Yeah, obviously. We took out liquidity on hourly and 30-minute on gold. Can we take long? Well, be careful with this because look at this rejection here. Huge week. Normally it can be just sign of retracement for continuation lower. Let's try to find levels where we can actually drop. So we hit untapped fair value gap. Seems like we have flat candle lower. So I would say we definitely have room to go lower. Let me delete some old levels. This flat candle ends up with hourly OB, so technically we have room to go lower. Seems like we got accumulation, it's still manipulation, but I would try to manipulate somewhere here before the reversal, right? So what I'm waiting for right now is the retracement to New York midnight open to try to short. Sunday. You think like manipulation is done on gold? Remember, we want to be bearish below. I'm going to record a new video about New York midnight open, but first, guys, I'm going to cover every single plan on TradingView because lots of questions which plan to pick. Growth plan, select plan, lightning funded, why. So new video is going to be about TradingView breakdown, but next video is going to be about a New York midnight open. What is this? Well, it's going to be about New York midnight open. But honestly, as long as we displace below New York midnight open, definitely not a great sign for longs yet. I would try to position myself above New York midnight open for a small scalp than risk now. Especially considering this huge rejection. Probably no thanks yet. How much do you risk on your account? I have 9 funded accounts, 50K. So, well, highly recommend to risk around $250-300 per trade. And don't wait for daily loss limit if you have daily loss limit to hit you. So, you need to have your own daily loss limit. So, for example, I wouldn't probably risk more than $400 per day. Flat candle, of course. Flat candle basically wickless candle. So what do I mean by wickless candle? As an example. Wickless candle. See, this candle does not have a wick. It's flat candle. This candle does not have a real manipulation. So why I'm expecting to get the test of flat candle? I know ICT doesn't explain like this, but how I consider this as delayed manipulation. So price tends to retrace to this flat candle to offer delayed manipulation. We have some flat candles lower over here, which is right inside for our untapped fair value gap. But flat candle is wickless candle or devil's mark, but don't call devil's mark. It's impossible to understand what is right. So I will try to wait for move towards this hourly flat wickless candle, and it lines up with hourly OB. And okay, right after this, you can say maybe it will try to reverse again back to New York midnight open, retest of pre-market low. As many, like technically, yes, but according to classic structure of candlestick formation, right? We need to have open, manipulation, range expansion, close. So preferable to have this. That's why I call this as delayed manipulation. Once again, maybe it's not like too smart or correct name for this, but this is how I consider this. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Yeah, new video is going to be short one, but it's going to be only about New York Midnight Open. I will explain how you can use this. Because before this in my intraday bias, I covered small part of this. I spent like maybe 3-5 minutes on this, but I'm going to record separate video about New York Midnight Open. Silver. I'm not fan of silver, guys, but let's try to analyze this. Well, for silver, if not today, then probably during AM session tomorrow, we will retrace down. So guys, if not today, but tomorrow, I'm waiting for the retest of this low again. 69, yeah. We got, look at this daily chart. 1, 2, so far, third candle looks like is going to be bullish candle, right? So I would say if not today, then tomorrow we will retrace back down to 69 again. Really hard to predict big moves because we're at all-time high. Doesn't make sense to predict huge moves. But minor retracements, yes. Yeah, wish you perfect Christmas and Happy New Year. Bum, bum, bum. So far what I'm watching, guys. If yes, will retrace to New York Midnight Open, but will stay below this level, I will try to short. Let's switch on SPX because 30 seconds left. Preferably SPX needs to open at this OT. Remember yesterday, if you watch my PM session short, I was aiming for 50% on SPX. It was close, but once again, perfectly fine. I'm watching for SPX to close at this OT. Not close, open. Come on, Dasha. What is my win rate? Depends, like, if I want to calculate entire year, 66%. From beginning of year and until now, 66%. Oh, well, we opened here. Okay. We hit exactly 50%. It was my TP yesterday on my shorts. So what we are going to do right now, highlight OT of this RTH gap. We hit 25%, still would like to see higher. Probably would like to see a complete fill of this gap. Look at ES. Okay, guys, right now going to close this. And if it's going to retrace back to New York Midnight Open, I will try to short. NQ also tested New York Midnight Open. Well, just strong displacement above New York Midnight Open. London high is coming then. Low resistance to upside. Didn't expect to get such a big move yet. Wow, just at the open we bounced 13 points. Okay, London high is coming then. Let's switch on gold real quick. Well, gold retested pre-market low, approaching this flat candle on hourly chart. 5-minute flat candle where? On NQ, yes. Oh, this one. Okay, got it. Look at this, we got the test of monthly open on NQ. Such a huge rally here, and Asia high is about to be taken. Hey Daniel, how are you doing today? Yeah, my plan completely destroyed right now. Good morning. I'm good. Waiting for setup to trade. I was reading the message. My bad. Yeah. This bounce from, I wouldn't say it was from nowhere. See how we perfectly expected OT of move up on ES and 50% of new big opening gap on NQ. How do you do FIP? I have video about this on my YouTube channel about OT retracement. We completely filled RTH gap on SPX. Oops, not here, here. Look at this 5-minute candle on SPX. Wow. Just wow. No rush, guys. I'm going to keep waiting. Gold approaching this hourly flat candle. You know, we already dropped a lot on gold. Probably does not make any sense to trade this anymore. Oops. Oops. I'm going to delete this. It's old one. Look at this. Did not hit Asia high in London. I'm still flat. Completely flat, guys. Didn't take a single trade yet. Let's switch into 2-minute chart. 3-minute chart. Huge week. Whole day from yesterday done within 3 minutes. Exactly, Daniel. Isn't that crazy? That's insane. Let's check SPX. Just trying to see where we can go. On SPX, we have 15-minute flat candle. 7 points higher. Let's see if it's going to retrace at least. Doesn't make any sense to trade this without retracement. But yeah, guys, since we broke above New York midnight open, I cannot short this. Once again, I'm bullish as long as we're above New York midnight open. I am bearish as long as we're below this level. With a short. So yeah, plan was destroyed. No complaints. No complaints. My kids are extremely loud right now. I hope you cannot hear them. Maybe PM session. We're not going to give up. Market just opened. Come on. Wait for setup. Wait for setup, guys. You always need to have plan B, guys. If your level broken, what will happen next? If New York midnight open, what can happen next? Maybe I'm going to switch to be bullish, right? We have London higher. And buy side liquidity at 69.66. That's too much to ask. 20 points move. Do we have any news today, guys? We have news at 10 a.m. It's going to be orange folder news. How do you explain? Okay. Each my video, guys, can be translated to at least 10 languages. You just need to go to settings of my videos and you can pick language. My answer still with my love, my heart still with a yes. And gold. Okay, guys, extremely stupid to leave this London high and Asia high probably, right? So maybe we need to retrace to try to long this. As long as we buff New York midnight open. So what kind of retracement I'm waiting for? On NQ, we already retrace enough for us to New York midnight open. And yes, kind of like no. What else? What else we got? Not fan of 1 minute chart, but I'm going to keep my eyes. Let me open 1 minute chart on my another screen. Someone send me a message. It's going to the moon today? Should I fall bored with closed eyes? Well, watching gold. Gold did not hit for early flat candle yet. Take it. I mean, guys, not that fast. I'm not going to take stupid setups. I'm going to wait for model to present itself and I will try. I'm just kidding. SPX also enough retracement here. No, Dasha, don't. Yeah, plan. Exactly, guys. We got 1 minute inversion, which I'm going to highlight right now over here on my Ninja Trader. Huge first entry value gap, you know. We got 1 minute inversion here. What else? On 2 minute chart, we got absolutely nothing. On gold, you know, 4472.5, nice level to be taken. %80%. That's interesting. I never watched this before. Look how different NQ and ES right now. ES really approaching London high, which is probably okay and obvious, right? And Asia high obvious level on NQ as well. But I'm not fan how it's trying to retrace while ES keep going higher. I believe NQ wants to test New York midnight open on 50% right now at 673. I would say 658, 673 will be nice level for retracement. I'm not going to be in a rush, just going to wait. Short, like lots of people, short Dasha, long Dasha, then short again. No, let's long it. Guys, you're funny. No, you need to wait for your setup. I would say it's perfectly fine to flip your bias if you see invalidation. I'm fine with flipping the bias, always. But first I need to see invalidation. 500. We'll see. So, shorts really valid below New York midnight open, especially on ES. Should I close the charts after I made $600 today? Why even asking? Of course. I made $0, but honestly, I don't mind to close my charts as well. You said 631 gross. Okay. I would say 647. I mean OT. Perfect. Okay. I'm going to delete this. Initially, I wanted to short. Before market open, my bias was I'm going to short below New York midnight open to previous day New York midnight open. Like from New York midnight open to New York midnight open. We broke above this level with displacement. So what this means? Not trade so far. First plan was invalidated. Continue waiting. Market just opened, so I have lots of time still to trade something. Gold needs to take this level. Still believe in this. Once again, in order to talk about potential sweeps on hourly chart or 30-minute chart or any other time frames, you need to have high from level. So we need to reverse from somewhere. Most of the time when you see your potential setup fails, you just trading from nowhere. This happens a lot. Okay, SPX took 15-minute flat candle. Oops. But in Q left Asia high by really a couple of ticks. What's the high of this candle? I cannot see this, okay. 3 ticks away. Wow. Well, I don't trade first presented fair value gap. I still believe I don't understand them enough because for me it's still something that works like 5 for 10 of times of 10 times. I mean, like it doesn't really work for me. I was trying to use in different ways, but I'm not fan of first presented fair value gaps. Once again, maybe I don't trade them right, but it doesn't work for me. Because many times I saw when it was inverted, then reclaimed. I mean, what to trade? Just not fan of them. So it's fine, it's fine. So I'm maybe going to wait for silver bullet for now. We got straight move up at the open, minor retracement, still trying to stay above New York midnight open. That's pretty much it. Next level, let me try to find something on hourly chart, because I don't really have levels now. Oh, actually we have a top fair value gap. Well, I found some levels. Okay, we have some levels, guys. We can bounce. Yeah, guys, don't really recommend to trade your live account or fund accounts. So it can be a bit strange price action when we have holiday weeks. So I personally switched trading my evaluation accounts. I traded yesterday my evaluation accounts. I have a plan to trade evaluation accounts today as well. So what happened with my fund accounts today, I only opened the trade for like 3 minutes or 5 minutes and closed the trade, just to have trading day there. With 1 micro. Asia high taken on NQ. Probably going to... No reason to draw OT, I guess, yes. Yet, right? We keep sweeping above monthly open, right? But never actually displays above this level yet, while... Where's monthly open on 1 second? I deleted. I need to see where ES now. ES is above monthly open. This means like overall structure on ES looks more bullish than on NQ. One minute inversion fair value gap. Good job. Yeah, it's a new bot for giveaways. Because lots of people ask me like for new way to pick winners for giveaway. That's lie. Yeah, guys, click the like. Let's do giveaways today. Why not? Yeah, pretty much straight move up. So opportunities are untapped for a value gap, I believe. You just entered buy on ES. Okay, wish you good luck. From this 1 minute inversion for a value gap, we actually just bounced a lot. We got the closure here, so. Do you trade tomorrow? No, not tomorrow. Today is going to be my last trading day for this week. I hope to play some trades. Guys, also, if you didn't know, I stream PM session on TradingView TV. I'm not sure we are going to get something during PM session, but still join. Let's have some fun. We have hourly volume balance on SPX. Well, we just hit this, but we didn't balance this yet. Main question if it's going to retrace. Enjoy your day tomorrow. Yeah, today I'm Santa. See this costume? I have had Christmas hat, but it's too hot to be in it. So I'm gonna stay with this. Look what my son made for me. Look how cute it is. Yeah. How old is he? He's 4. I have 2, 6 and 4. He's going to be 5 in 1 month. Yeah, I also have this kind of photo. Yeah, that's so cool. So my pullback so far. I mean, it's always dangerous to trade when you trade without setup, right? Nothing I like yet. I'm going to switch into miniature to see what we got. Not mental B yet, but gold short setup was textbook one A++++++ setup. But here I kind of would like to see a bit higher. It was 4 points away. TradingView Steam about trading. So I just trade there. Exactly the same way, but PM session. 44. Okay. I'm just wondering if on 3-minute chart we can get some closure below London high. Can we get retracement to New York midnight open? So what I'm talking about, strong break below London high to drop to New York midnight open. Not big one, like 10, maybe 7 points drop. Let's see if it's going to close on SPX below this level as well. I'm fine to trade, by the way, gold. What is, it's New York midnight open. New York midnight open. It's just abbreviation, easier to understand. Guys, let's hit the like. Let me ask. 1 second. With gold, you can use silver. I'm going to show you settings for my SMT. For SMT, gold SMT, I use normally silver, but you can use some Forex payer, for example. This one works so cool as well. Let's do 50 more likes, guys, for giveaway. Lucid again, because I'm trading Lucid this week. On 50k accounts. Go to be choppy for me. Let's see if NQ is going to break below New York midnight open. I would like to look for shorts at this point to for New York midnight open on ES. Just need like big tankless candle. Once again, guys, I'm going to trade evaluations today and like the rest of the week. Just going to observe how we're going to react right now with from New York midnight open. Just be extremely careful, guys, with shorting at this pretty much bullish run. For this high time frame candles, it calls ICT high time frame candles by Fadi. I'm going to send link in the chat, guys, for you. Just change colors. Well, let's see if NQ is going to break this level. We'll try my wells. Watching NQ. One second. Okay, we're trying to break this level now. Cannot say we got strong displacement on NQ yet below this level. But I'm starting liking potential shorts. Let's see how it's going to close on 2 minutes left to try this. Not sure about stop loss yet. We will see. I never use 1 minute chart for executions. Let's see how it's going to close. Less than 2 minutes left on this 5 minute candle, guys. Guys, for example, what happens right now? Exactly what I anticipate to get. Break below London high, the test. Really would like to get in shorts here for a small scalp. It's really like, I don't know, 1-to-1 probably is going to be. Looking for short here. Come on. Come on, name the trader. Stop lagging. Yeah, trying to short on these ovals. That's evaluation account, guys. Actually, copy just on one account. Oh, forgot to turn on copier. Okay. So basically 1-to-1. That's pretty much it, guys. Gold hit my weakless candle. Na 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 na. Still trying to stay below London high. I like this closure on NQ on 3 minute chart below New York midnight open. I feel like it's worth to try. Guys, once again, evaluation accounts. I'm risking $300 in this eval. See my small risk here? So I know I don't want to risk a lot in this garbage price action. Just scalping basically 1-to-1. What I'm watching right now, guys. NQ trying to break below New York midnight open. 2 minute chart, not perfect, honestly. But on 3 minute chart, we got the closure below New York midnight open. What makes sense to me is just minor retracement to New York midnight open on ES and reaction. So really hard to be bearish as long as we're above New York midnight open. But since NQ broke this level, I don't really mind to get this. Let me actually extend my OT. 28. Yeah, let's see. Can we long after New York midnight open? I can't actually try, guys. These evaluations, we need to pass them. I'm going to just trade every single setup that really validates idea of New York midnight open. Break above this level, sweep of this level, long. Break below this level with displacement, short. And so on. How many contracts here? Okay. Actually going to close more than this. Really scalping, guys, for like 5-6 points. So see this 50%? It's first TP. I even want to close more than half here. I'm in with 10 micros, 8 micros here. Yeah, trading stop loss to break even, guys. I lost $200 already. I wouldn't say it's bad. 5-6 points, more than enough. Trust me. Final TP New York midnight open. Trading here. Oh yeah. Come on. Hey! Hey! Stop lagging! What is going on? I cannot close position. Guys, close your position. I cannot close it. No! What are you doing with me? Hey! Ninja Trader. What are you doing with me? Hey, you got it. I cannot just close this. Out. I'm out, guys. It's really close for $360 profit. I don't have open position right now, see? It's just lagging. Whatever. W in the chat, guys. Easy trade. Honestly, it wasn't bad. It's lagging, but whatever. Was quite fast. See? My read in this shit price action. It wasn't bad. Okay, let me disconnect and connect. Come on, Lucid. Tell me we don't have open position. I need to just update a Ninja Trader. Yeah, works again. I didn't have open position, just was lagging. Yeah, done. $99% of my wealth were bought from my own money. Such a perfect trade. So happy with this. It was on 3-minute chart setup. I got in on 5. Okay. But we actually kill it, right? Final TP data low. I'm out. I'm really scalping just scalping. See, 5-minute chart close. 5-minute candle closed at New York midnight open. You know what is going on gold? Gold said, like, F you guys, just free fall. Let's see actually my executions. Whatever, 1 second. Because it was lagging. See this lag here? Let me actually jump. It was lag everywhere. Anyway, I shorted here, closed here. Ignoring this lag on Ninja Trader, we did good. I just closed short on ES. You missed our trade. Guys, again, see? We entered the trade, and it immediately went in our favor. Plan the trade, trade the plan. Honestly, $360 for this kind of price action trading micro is not bad. Okay, let's start giveaway, probably, right? Google. 1 second. Let's start giveaway. Lucid Flex. Lucid Flex, guys. Fill the form. Fill the form. Pinned message in the chat. There's equalos. Guys, I'm just scalping. I expected to get New York midnight open. I close there. See, I didn't ask for too much. Yeah, you know, guys, as long as we respect New York midnight open, let me switch back. As long as we respect New York midnight open, really hard to short. But we can short to this level, right? If you don't have active account with Lucid, you can participate, of course. It's not a problem. You know, Chris, if it's going to displace below New York midnight open, I will probably use my original plan, short below New York midnight open to previous day New York midnight open. Did my original plan, displacement, short down. It was my plan. Probably I'm going to stick to this plan. Yeah, I closed as well. I hope your Ninja Trader not lagging us. Mine. I'm honestly scared to open position. I wasn't able to close this. But you know, this morning Ninja offered update. I didn't update because every single time when I update my Ninja Trader, I need to log into my prop firm accounts again. I was like, I don't have time for this. No keyword for today. People ask normal giveaway. So see pinned message in the chat. Participate? No, I traded ES short. It was a short. Same here. Oh, it wasn't me? Oh, that's cool. At least I'm not alone with this issue. Hello, hello. For gold, we took my important level, which is hourly flat candle, weekless candle. So if it's traded to offer the action, it will be from here. But I wouldn't long immediately from here. I would rather to wait for structure, like 5-minute OB. Why don't take short on NQ? Because I don't trade NQ. I have psychological barrier on NQ. I would rather to lock like less profit, but to get much more safe and less stressful trade. I had really bad experience back in July and August with NQ. Guys, I'm just don't trade NQ because of psychological barrier, as well as silver. Hard to come back, not going to come back. My bad, sorry guys, just accept this fact. Silver not bad, guys, silver nice, but I took my daily loss limit, it was almost $4,000. I was trying to short silver 2 times, but since Project X, I was trading this on my Lightning Fund account, does not support micro silver, I saw set up, and I was trading with 1 mini contract, and originally I didn't look like huge stop loss, but I realized my first stop loss was $1,700. Another stop loss was $2K, and I probably had to stop, it was in September, but I saw setup and I was extremely confident with this setup, and I took 2 losses in a row. It was painful, but I said, okay, gold and ES are my best friends. I'm going to just stick to them. For entries, I'm not going to lie, I jump between 2, 3, and 5-minute charts all the time. Really hard to pick one. But I don't use 1-minute chart. Guys, see how we stuck at New York midnight open? Happy we close there. Like, seriously. But if it's going to offer strong displacement, this one should be in play. Pretty much the same. I would say I use SPX to confirm my entries on ES most of the time. We hit volume imbalance on daily chart. We took 15-minute flat candle. You know, we got the closure, exactly what I said before. Price retrace all the way down, back to discount. So it was the reason why I took this trade. Let's see if it's going to break below New York midnight open again. Guys, if you would like to participate in giveaway, see pinned message in the chat and participate. I'm going to open another link for now. Yeah, exactly, Chris. So let's see if it's going to displace. By the way, guys, don't leave after this giveaway. So after I pick 4 winners, I will do extra giveaway. And it's going to be another prop firm. So once we're done with this giveaway, I will do bonus extra giveaway. So don't leave. It's going to be a bit different format. So once we're done with 4 accounts here, so if you would like to participate in first giveaway, fill the form, fill the Google form, pinned message in the chat. But right after this giveaway, I will do 1 more, but a bit different format. Okay. Today is going to be Lucid and Tradify. Lucid Flex, Tradify 150k accounts. Yeah. Not Lucid, a Tradify and Lucid. Best prop firms ever. Guys, really top 3 prop. Let's talk about top 5 prop firm. Tradify, Lucid, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Funded Next Futures. That's it. Best ever. Tradify, Lucid, I would say first place. You cannot find better prop firms than Tradify and Lucid. Swear to the God. Then TPT and Apex and Funded Next Futures. Price going higher? Yeah, if it's going to displace above New York midnight open again, perfectly fine. My funded futures, it's 80% profit split, not for me. Yeah, Take Profit Trader, not perfect with their customer support. But like as prop firm overall, nice prop firm. I had really great experience. Top step, are you kidding me? I have Lightning Fund account on Project X. I stopped trading this. Plans that I'm going to give away today, you don't need to build the buffer. So you don't need to build the buffer for your funded account. And for select plan on Tradify, you can pick daily payouts or flex payouts. Alpha futures, guys. Yes, I'm going to start trying to trade alpha futures from the next year. So I will keep you updated. Cannot say anything about this yet because I don't have any experience. Funding ticks. About funding ticks, did you read their new rules? It's just extremely ridiculous for me. They deleted profit for traders who hold the trade less than 1 minute. For me, it was like red flag. No thanks. No thanks. Changing profit split, amount of profitable trading days to request payout. I mean, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I also want to try to earn to trade, right? Earn to trade? Did you try this before? What's the funding ticks? Just not for me for now, until they change the rules. Deleting the profit for all traders who hold the trade for less than 1 minute, for me, it's just ridiculous. On Monday, I'm going to stream with Tanya. Yes, it's going to be. I don't remember. 1 second. I'm going to stream with Tanya. It's going to be December 29. Yeah, Monday, December 29. We're going to stream together. Yeah, heard a lot about earned trade in alpha futures. With alpha futures, perfectly fine. I'm gonna try the next year. I mean, January, but earn to trade, never tried. But I see lots of people trade this, so. If you would like to participate in giveaway today, I'm going to do Lucid account, so fill the Google form, pinned message in the chat, and another giveaway is going to be bonus giveaway. It's going to be in a bit different format. I would like to test something, my bot actually, for this. Media effects, don't cry. Don't cry. What happened? Announce winners, please. No, we just started this giveaway. Lots of people joining, so let's give them some time. Where did you try to short in Q? You know, once again, guys, it's important to understand, like seriously, you need to look whole picture. You saw in Q broke below New York midnight open. ES was way above this level. We broke below London high with displacement, so we want to see the test of New York midnight open. Right now, what is going on? ES wasn't able to break below New York midnight open, while NQ still below this level. What this means? If ES is going to break below New York midnight open with displacement, your short will be valid. You just need to wait. Yeah, just once. Just once. Yeah, I'm going to spin the wheel. Your task is just wait. Yeah, really. Also, I mean, I have win and trade as well. I cannot complain about this. For example, let's talk about gold. Gold does not have bullish shift yet. So wait. New video is going to be on my channel soon about New York midnight open. I will explain why it's important. ICT explains this in a little bit different way. I will explain how I personally use this. It's a bit hot here. 1 second. Interesting right now. See this closure? Extremely good sign here that don't short this. Wait. I mean, longs valid, especially on NQ, will break above New York midnight open again. Which Florida, guys. I'm in Florida. Going to be in Orlando tomorrow. At least I have a plan for this. Going to be in Orlando tomorrow. I have plans. But with kids. So. No, 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 no. I'm going to be honest and transparent with you guys. Like, to find a real, keyword real, profitability when it happened. It happened at the beginning of this year. I'm trading for like almost 4 years. It's going to be 4 years in June 2026. But like real profitability, beginning of this year. Last time when I was in Belarus, it was 10 years ago. So. What changed? My psychology, I guess. How I react on my losses and how I wait for my setup. This is what actually changed, like really changed. Trading consistently? Well, really hard to say. Like, since I stopped trading in Q, I would say I'm pretty much consistent. Seriously, I'm not going to lie. Like, I'm not perfect with NQ. I wasn't perfect with NQ, but once I stopped trading this, I believe I became consistent. Consistent enough. I still taking losses, but to say I'm profitable, almost 3 years. But I can say, like, I found profitability only this year. This year. 11 months ago. If you would like to participate in giveaway, guys, pinned message in the chat. You have kids. I have 2. Also, guys, you probably know about this, but I have twin sister. That's only photo I have, unfortunately. Oops. 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 It's my twin sister. Like 2 minutes apart. Yeah, she's single. I always ask, like, when? My husband always asks her as well, when? I'm not kidding. Like, yeah, it's our photo. 1 second. That's cool. I'm going to disappear again for 1 second. It's going to bring me back. Surprise, right? She's not married. She doesn't have boyfriend as well, but she's in Belarus, by the way. Guys, if you want to... if you want to have Russian-speaking wife, I can recommend you someone. My sister in Belarus. She doesn't speak English, but I believe we are the same. Like, yes. Back to trading. You guys funny. Does she speak ICT? No, unfortunately. Who's older? Like, she's older. 2 minutes apart. 2 minutes apart, guys. It was C-section for my mom, so, like, there is no huge difference. Yeah, she doesn't speak English. She has no idea what trading is. But K1 Visa, let's go. Yeah. I hope she's going to visit us next year. At least she said she wants to. But she needs to get the visa first. It's hard to get the visa. She needs to fly to Poland or somewhere else to get the visa, travel visa. It's really hard. But if she's going to visit us, I will ask her to steam together. It's going to be so cool. K1 visas, right? I mean, I learned English when I moved to US. I had to learn English. I mean, I didn't have choice. I'm not from Russia. I'm from Belarus. From childhood, like, we have some salads. but it's like fat salads. But I already discussed this yesterday, I guess on TradeView TV. I don't know why. Maybe because like when we were kids, we didn't have enough money, right? But we used to buy oranges only when it was Christmas, like, or New Year. New Year, we don't celebrate Christmas. And I guess best food for New Year, since once again we don't celebrate Christmas, is oranges. This smell, everything, like it's just perfect. Like my best food for New Year is oranges. I don't know why, but we were buying these oranges only when it was New Year. I don't know why. Like seriously. It was apples, right? For some people it was pineapples. I don't know why. Not far. So Belarus is between Poland and Russia. Do I look like a Spaniard? No, I'm not from Spain. You just eat. I mean, yes, right? Give it time. Yeah, we will do in 10 minutes. We will start at least. Can you explain U-trade? Of course, let's talk about this. So I shorted this down. So SPX took 15-minute flat candle. See here. We got 2-minute inversion and we got the closure here. Also what happened on NQ. NQ took Asia high and as you can see offered immediate rejection. As long as I consider monthly open, daily open, New York midnight open exactly the same way, but on different time frames. So once again, we cannot break above monthly open at all so far. So I was like, if it's going to reject, it's going to reject now. Then we got strong displacement to New York midnight open on NQ. But on yes, we were staying here, right? That's why I said if it's going to retrace back down to London high and will close below this level, I will try to short with stop loss. It was just tight stop loss. And target is going to be New York midnight open. Why? Because NQ broke this level. It was just logical trade. Not sure if it's based on ICT, to be honest. I'm funded with 34. I have 34 funded accounts and I have three evals so far, and I have lots of past evaluations. Chinese apple? Are you kidding me? I never ever heard about this. Are you kidding me or not? You said Chinese apples. I'm trying to Google it. But why? Do you know why? Wow, I never ever heard about this. First time. Interesting. So what I changed for my YouTube? So I was talking with ChatGPT how to improve my videos on YouTube because I believe I shared like good content, but I never had viewers. I was like, what should I do to improve? It recommended me to change the pictures and update description and titles. So I upgraded everything with ChatGPT and everything changed. Yeah, if it's going to displace above New York midnight open, like, I wouldn't place long immediately, but I would start looking for a setup. I'm just scared, guys, to open position because Ninja Trader is lagging. You saw this. The past years, when you weren't profitable, well, funny to say, I didn't blow lots of accounts. I was trading extremely small size, so, you know, trading one micro is not going to blow your account. So I cannot say like I wasn't profitable, especially like last 2 years. I wasn't consistently profitable, so I could take huge losses and huge wins. So I cannot call this consistency. And I was trying to recover losses. That's why I call this like not consistently profitable. But this year everything changed because I started like looking at my losses in a completely different way. I stopped crying because of them, because like once again for 2 years before this I was crying because of my losses, and I was like, how it is possible to take losses? How I can manage this loss? You know, like it was hard psychologically to take loss. I was wrong? No way. So yeah, but this year I was like, stop, Dasha, you need to change something. And I guess this helped me. If I want to have Russian channel, I mean, trading channel, right? It's going to be a bit hard because I don't know like some Russian terms. I mean, it's going to end up being in English anyway, I guess. I mean, I don't mind. Like, why not? But you scared to take classes? I'm perfectly fine with this. You know, I always happy to take class if this class was according to the plan. So I follow my plan. I knew if this level is going to be broken, I will try, let's say, to short to this level. It's muted? No, I guess. If this level is going to be broken, I will try to short, for example. But let's say it stopped me out. Did I follow my plan? No. I mean, yes. Yes, of course. Is gold good? Not yet. Any scalps? I don't see any. I will tell you if I will see something. Don't see scalps on gold yet. So let's see if NQ is going to break this level. But for now, let's start giveaway. Guys, once again, don't leave after this giveaway. I will do extra giveaway right after this. But you need to be here because it's going to be different format, okay? So yeah, I will make announcement, guys, because I created my own bot for giveaways. So it's going to be a different format, so I'm going to make announcement for this. But first, let's do first giveaway. We got... We're going to hide emails right now. Emails. To do. How to switch. All right. 1 second, guys. Going to switch my window. Which one? This one? Not this one. This one. Yeah. Going to move. No, it's horrible. Sorry, guys. Just going to move like this. Yeah. Who remembers the link? Wheel of names? Yeah, let me copy these names. Okay, let's do this. Once again, it's going to be Lucid Flex accounts. I'm not fan of Project X, that's why I don't trade Top Step. And no one. Wait a second. I guess I did mistake. I need to remove this one. Let's do again. Why it's speaking like empty space? And our winner is... Guys, I'm not going to read your names. It's really hard for me. But are you in the chat? Let me... Just tell me, it's me. I'm here. I need to know this because I'm going to highlight you. Guys, if you're not in the chat, I'm not going to pick you. Let's count until like 30. And if he's not going to hear, so I'm not going to say, it's me, hello. I'm not going to pick him. All right? So no offense, guys. And he's not here. Sorry, man. Pick another one. Alex RARH. And I'm not going to read until the end. Oh, yeah. Okay, you're good then. Going to highlight your name. First winner is here. Okay, green one. Okay, next one. You're good. Thank you. I have your email. Don't worry. Super tosser. You here? If you're not... Okay, waiting for 30 seconds, guys. Each time I'm going to wait for 30 seconds. Here or not? Here or not? Super toaster. She said he... Where? Oh, I see you. Don't worry. Thank you. I'm just blind. Yeah, highlighted you. Okay, I will do... Once again, don't leave after this giveaway. I will do another one. No one again. Are you kidding me? 1 second. I'm just... Well... Yeah, click remove. That was the right decision. I didn't do this. Another winner, our third winner. Waiting. Waiting. Hey, are you here or not? Reply, it's me. Hello. I see you. I see you. Thanks for participating. Highlighting you. Once again, guys, after this giveaway, don't leave. I will do another one. I need to remove, yeah. Yeah, I will remove, yeah. Sorry, my bad. I highlighted these winners on my spreadsheet, so that's... I'm not been using this, so guys, I'm so sorry about it. You here or not? Varun Papa. Hey, are you here? If not, so we will pick another one. No? 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 Yeah. I mean, my bad, guys. I'm not going to even try to read this. She's my neighbor. Love you guys, but you're so funny. Are you here? No? Come on, guys. Yeah, seriously. Say it's me. 10 more seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. I did my best, so. Naked price action. Such a beautiful name. I like it. Tell me you're here, please. Will not be surprised if not. Oh, you're fast. Oh my god. Okay. The fastest person today. Let me count. I didn't what? Oh, I can't in Russian. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Well, guys, starting new year, guys, I will host giveaways on my own website. Here's the link. Listen careful. Stop typing and everything right now. Starting new year, guys, all giveaways will be hosted only on my own website. So what will change? So we are not going to have double entries. So no fake accounts, no spam there, or something like this. So once again, starting, I'm going to show you right now website. 1 second. I will show you everything. So once again, starting new year, all giveaways will be hosted here. Well, so no double entries, only verified accounts. So in order to verify yourself, we're participating in weekly, daily giveaways. All giveaways is going to be weekly, daily. So I'm going to run a lot of giveaways there. You need to verify yourself by doing this stuff. So once you verify yourself, so once again, you need to fill information here. Once you verify yourself, you will get email to confirm this. That's it. So once you verify yourself, nothing else. So guys, if you would like to participate today in bonus giveaway, extra giveaway to test this bot, here's the link for you guys. Fill the form. So for today, I'm going to do till 150k select daily accounts. Enter guys now. So you need to enter your first name, last name, email, YouTube username. That's important. Country. So why country? Because you will see if your country is restricted list or not. So this kind of giveaways is easier for me because I can host them daily, even outside my streams. So guys, here's the link once again. If you would like to participate in Tradify giveaway, you need to verify yourself first. It's my website, yes. Lots of cool stuff coming on this website. You will like this even more. So what you need to do, you need to confirm your email. So once you will fill this form here, guys, go to your email, gmail.com or what kind of inbox you use, and confirm your email. At this point, you are in, guys, in this giveaway. For today, it's going to be Tradify to 150k select plan. You can pick daily or flex accounts. So once again, at this point, I can see if you have double entries, if you have like fake accounts, any scam. So it's going to be fair. So what I need to do from you guys, fill this form and go to your email and verify your email. So this one is going to be valid for today. So you have 90 minutes, guys. In 90 minutes, you will receive email if you won or not. Sorry. No double entry. So at this point, I can watch this. I can manage this. Didn't get email confirmation? Check spam folder or just wait for email. So yeah, guys, if you won, because I'm going to do this kind of giveaways outside the streams as well, you will receive email. Your country over here, country. Just find your country in this list. Country. It's really slow. My bad. It's okay, guys. You have 90 minutes to enter. Works well. Perfect. Thank you. Let me know. Guys, why I'm doing this right now, I would like to check this, test this. Taking notes. I need to make this faster somehow. You need to confirm just once, guys. You don't need to confirm this every single time, just once. But since we are on my website right now, guys, I'm going to show you something. So I'm going to add something like special soon, but Pro Tools here. If you click here, you can just find some other tools here. For example, drawdown simulator. If you're trying to figure out how intraday trading drawdown works, or end of day drawdown works, you can enter information here. For example, you can play with your profit during the day, and it will show you how it moves. Like it's going to compare intraday trading drawdown and end of the day drawdown. It will show you everything here. And other cool stuff. It's free, completely free. Consistency rule calculator. So you can calculate consistency rule, right? For a select plan, like for any plans. What else? My favorite tool, lot size calculator. So I have 150k account. Right, this 150k account. My daily drawdown is, let's say, no, not this one. I want to risk per trade $400 on this account. Stop loss and points, let's say 10 points. Micro ES. See? This means if I want to trade micro ES with 10 point stop loss, I can afford to trade 8 micros. Guys, all information is available on this website where you entered giveaway. Guys, no activation fee. I mean, it's completely free for you guys. You were late by 5 minutes. It's not scam. Yeah, I ask people to be here, please. So guys, don't be upset because of this. I called your name, I guess, like 5 or 7 times. We even like give you 1 more minute. So no offense. So guys, completely free stuff here. I'm at $360 as well. Scalping ES, so no. So guys, I will see you in 2 hours on TradingView TV. I wish you good luck. Once again, if you would like to participate in giveaway, here is the link, guys. You have 90 more minutes to participate. With no glitches. Yeah, thank you, guys. We just need to test this to see how it works, how fast emails, and so on. You need to verify yourself just once. You don't need to do this every single time. If you would like to participate in giveaway for TradingView 150k select plan, please go on this website and fill information. Yeah, guys, thank you for watching. How to get? I'm going to send you email for Lucid like in 20-30 minutes. You want to help? Yeah, remind me tomorrow. So not tomorrow, on Monday, since I'm not going to be here tomorrow. Yeah, guys, I will see you in 2 hours on TradingView TV. Let's see if we're going to trade something. Wish you good luck. Wish you perfect the rest of your day. Don't make stupid mistakes and enjoy your day, guys. Bye, everyone.